Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Miji's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making one really delicious breakfast, Frankfurter and cheese deep toast breakfast. So I hope you guys are gonna like it. So before I tell you anything, we are going to do our 3 rules, which is washing our hands, wearing an apron to protect ourselves from the messes, and always asking an adult to help us when we're using the knives, the oven, or the stove. So let's go wash our hands.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to wear our apron. So now that I've worn my apron, let me tell you the ingredients to this delicious dish. So we're gonna need cheese, bread, Frankfurters, and butter. So now I sliced the butter. So to start off with, we're going to on our stove and put it on maximum heat and wait for it to cool up. So my maximum should be around 4. And we're going to put our butter in once the stove is heated. Okay, so now that I can see, I put my hand over my stove and I can feel the heat. Don't touch the stove. So now it's ready, so we're going to put in our butter. So now that we're done with that, we're going to put in our toast. So I've already cut my toast with a little square in the middle. So we're going to put in the outer layer in. Oh, sorry, I forgot that in this recipe we need egg. So now we've added our egg. So now that we put in our bread, we're going to put in our Frankfurters. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to pour our egg on top. So now we're going to add our seasoning. So I have chicken stock, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper. Gonna take a pinch. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to sprinkle some of our grated cheese on top. This is about enough. So we're now going to wait for it to cook. No, we're not. We're going to put this on top. And press down. Now we're going to flip it. Look at that toasty, delicious piece. This is so satisfying. Now we're just going to let the other side cook. Okay, so it seems like our sandwich is ready now. So let's put it onto our plate. It must be really hot now, so we're just going to allow it to cool down. Let's test it now that it's cooled down.
Testing time. Yummy, yummy,
If I'm honest, this tastes amazing, and the Frankfurters just make it taste over the moon. I think you guys should really try it because I love it. See you next time on Mishy's Kitchen.